So that is the disposal, is the final handling of solid waste. Okay. And next one is the environmental impact assessment, that is called as EIA, that is an evaluation design identified to predict the impact of project over the environment. So the next one is the landfilling. Okay, we already discussed about the landfilling, the final disposal of solid waste by placing it in a controlled fashion in a place, okay, intended to the permanent. The source book user in terms of the control the dumps and sanitary landfill. Okay, that means what? Whatever that waste that going to be dumped into the ground and that going to be covered with the soil. So that is the simply you can say landfill. Also the next term we discuss the leachate. So leachate, it is nothing but the liquid waste that has seeped through the landfill or compost pile and has accumulated bacteria and other possibly harmful dissolved and suspended matter. Then RDF, refuse derived fuel. It is one of the important terms related with the municipal solid waste. The fuel which produced from the municipal solid waste that has undergone processing. Okay. Processing can include the separation of recyclable material, non-combustible material, shredding, size reduction, and palletizing. So this whatever which waste which comes and they are using as a fuel, okay, which produce a fuel, that is called as refuse derived fuel. That means we are going to derive a fuel from the refuse. Okay, so that is called as refuse derived fuel, RDF. Next, waste to energy, WTE plant. That is what, where we convert the waste into the energy. A facility that uses solid waste material, process or raw material to produce energy. Okay, so WTE plants include incinerator, which produces steam for the district heating of industrial use, or that generate the electricity. That also include the facility and convert the landfill gas to the electricity. Okay, that means there are the two methods from waste to energy. One is incineration method and one is a landfilling method. So in incineration method, there is also generation of heat and that heat is converted into electricity. And at the landfill site, whatever that gas it generates, that gas is also converted into the electricity. So that is what from waste you can generate the energy. The next one is composition of the solid waste. Okay, so basically the solid waste, municipal solid waste, which consists this type of composition. So generally the composition of solid waste being generated from the cities of India is 40% of food and garden waste, 5% of glass and ceramic, 3% of metal, 15% inert, 4% of plastic and rubber, 6% of textile, and 27% of paper. So out of that, total organic fraction 70%, total organic fraction is 40%, combustible fraction 37%, recyclable 8%, and inert 50%. So this is the composition of solid waste. So you can see from that graph or chart. Okay, so that is green, it is a paper 27%, food and garden waste is mostly 40%, glass and ceramic it is a 5%, metal it is a 3%, inert material it is toxic material which may be create a fires, that is called as 15% inert material, plastic and rubbers that is a 4%, and textile uh, clothes you can say that is 6%. So this was the composition of the solid waste. Next, effect of solid waste we already discussed yesterday. Affects our health. Okay, due to generation of toxic gases that impact over the human health. Again, if you are considering the biomedical waste, that is very toxic. So when that waste comes in contact with um, human being, it leads skin diseases. Okay. Also, you can say the electronic waste. So that electronic waste, when comes in contact with human being, that may lead some various diseases, like you can say the effect on the nervous system. Okay, blood issues, blood system some issues. Again, various other effect. Okay, see, you can see mercury. Okay, so mercury, how it affect? It reduce the fertility, slower growth and development in animals. Okay, next, if you consider the lead, it is a very highly toxic and similar effect for the animal and aquatic life. Okay, next, cadmium, if you consider, that is a lung damage, kidney damage. Then polyvinyl chloride, or that is a health effect is respiratory problem, and very other problems. Okay, so that is various effect of the waste. Okay, also it affect our socio-economic conditions. Okay, so it required huge investment for that collection, transportation, disposal, and treatment of waste. Okay, also it affect our coastal and marine environment due to disposal of waste into the water bodies, that leads water pollution, and that make water unsafe for the domestic and industrial use. Also it affect on the climate. Yes, that is air pollution, that is one of the major. Sometimes it may be create a fire, and also sometimes the water pollution. So these are the various effect of the pest over the environment. That means health effect as well as the environmental effect, danger effect. Okay, so you can see this. So there is a one bin which is used for the collection of waste, but what is the tendency of people? They are going to throw the waste into the nearby areas. Okay, so you can see where is the waste and where is the dustbin. Okay, so in second picture you can see there is heap of the garbage. Uh, in picture 3 you can see the animals which are eating that waste. Okay, so that is very dangerous. And finally, fourth picture, that is saying, that is which create a fire hazard and that leads the air pollution. That is a environmental effect. So next one is solid waste management system. So it contains various methods. That is the first, waste generation, waste storage, waste collection, transfer and transport, treatment, processing and recovery, and the disposal. So you can see this is called as the functional element of municipal solid waste management system. Okay. So what is that? The first one is waste generation. Okay. Next one is waste storage, waste collection, transfer and transport, and processing and recovery.